If you want to include additional add-on products or upsell products for your employers that maybe you don't include in your regular subscription plans, you can do that. Again, from the job board admin page, what you're going to do is navigate down to accounting and add-ons. And then you can add these individually by clicking add add-on. And the main two add-ons that clients use are going to be a featured job and a featured company. So looking at the front end of the job board to kind of visualize what those products actually do, you can come to the homepage here. You'll see this is just one sample of the homepage. And we do have that module or short code widget on the homepage for featured jobs. You'll see here. And then also featured companies. And so again, these are widgets, so you can move them up and down on the page. This is just standard out of the box where they would appear. And then also they get a little bit more coverage when you come in and do a job search. You'll see featured companies logos are shown at the top of search results here. And then featured jobs get some more visibility here with that featured job flag, and they're pushed to the top of the search results. So going to the back end again, when you want to add individual add-on upsell products, you can come in here. We can do featured jobs, name it whatever you want. The add-on number is just an internal, so you can name it whatever you want, give it whatever number you want. The status is active if you want people to be able to actually purchase that when they're using it. If for some reason down the line you need to remove it, you'll just mark it as blocked. The weight here is the order in which you want those add-ons to show up. So this will order them in the list of add-ons. So for example, when a company comes in, they're prompted to purchase one of your pricing plans. They'll choose that first. And on the next page is where they will see your list of add-ons. So in terms of that weight number that you see, you're basically listing them in the order that you want them to show up in. So that's how the weight will work. So like 4, 3, 2, 1. You can list them in numerical order here. The private checkbox is if you want to add an add-on that maybe is something special you want to give to certain groups or certain employers, you can do that. If you mark it as private, they won't see it listed on that public add-ons page. So employers won't just be able to come through and purchase it. You'll have to actually assign that add-on to them. And then you could add a price set for that. So if you want featured jobs to be $100. And then you're going to add the associated limitation. So again, the main two that you'll probably be using as those upsell opportunities are the featured job postings or the featured company. So in this case, we were doing featured job postings. And you can either do concurrent or total usage. With the featured jobs, we normally recommend doing concurrent because if an employer comes in, they have 10 job posts every month, they get 3 featured jobs. The concurrent type will allow them to swap out those featured jobs every month. If you do total usage, if they use those 3 featured jobs, they won't be able to use them anymore next month, for example. They'll have to purchase additional ones. And then you can come in, mark it unlimited, put the number if you want a specific quantity, and then you can also mark the valid number of days. So if you just want to do 30 days, those jobs are featured for, those will be featured for those 30 days. After those 30 days, the job posts would just go back to normal job posts. They would not have that featured flag on them. So when you submit those get saved in your list of add-ons. You'll see those will be able to start being built out here. If for any reason you do ever need to deactivate them, you can do it from this page, edit them, copy them if you just want to make a copy and duplicate them somehow. And then again, looking at it from the front end, your add-on page is visualized here from where employers are processing their orders. So they'll be able to click on any of these that you've added. They can also, when they click on add, what it does is it does add it to the order. So those add-ons will be automatically added to the order. They can also, change the different quantities of the add-ons as well.